Bitcoin is climbing to 90,000 US dollars. I'm not even shocked anymore. This was well expected, guys. In today's video, we will be talking about this, but we're also talking about my bull market strategy, which will be very simple. And I'm going to explain you how you can keep your money with this generational opportunity that is happening right now, because most likely every single one of you watching this video will make life-changing money in the next 6 to 12 months. I'm also going to show some other charts like XRP going crazy. I'm going to show you this chart. We are going to have a look at Ethereum as well, and that will basically be the topic of today's videos. And I'm going to say already right now, guys, the topic of today's video, this video will be very important, especially if you want to keep your profits in this bull market. Okay, so let's just start with that directly. So we've been talking about this neckline in Bitcoin where we have like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We are seeing it all across crypto right now, these inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is a huge bullish pattern, and if it's not an inverse head and shoulders pattern, it's a cup and handle formation. Both are very bullish. Breaking this white neckline is very, very bullish. So let's have a look at what Bitcoin did in the past. Okay, so first of all, when we broke, for example, in the very first bull market right here, we had also a all-time high, let's say it's roughly right here. Then we broke that all-time high, went to an acceleration phase, and it took roughly, let's say from that to that moment, took roughly 280 days, 87 days, right? So let's say roughly 300 days, right? Maybe 8 months. Let's go to the next one. We break the all-time high, we just go up right here, and we are 260 days till the next stop. So you can see already 280 days, 260 days. It's already pretty similar. But yeah, let's go to the next one, guys. Then we go to this one. We break above the all-time high. The first top comes in 150 days, roughly half a year. The second top, which basically was a double top, didn't really succeed at that top, came after roughly 1 year. So this is the same what I'm going to do right now. What Bitcoin is doing right now is very tempting, and of course my portfolio is going up like crazy and we're making a lot of profits, but I'm not going to cash until we are at a similar time period that we have seen with previous bull markets. So that's one thing that I'm going to share with you already right now. Time is very important, and if you want to have a better chart to see that, guys, we can bring up the BLX. That is this chart, and this chart will just tell us, if we zoom out, exactly what Bitcoin is going to do, right? So we have 3 years of green, 1 year of red, 3 years of green, 1 year of red, 3 years of green, 1 year of red, 3 years of green. We are not even close to the topping phase, guys. The bull market is literally just starting, although we do get to the middle of this channel, which might bring some resistance later on. We will talk about it as well. But as you can see, we are still deep in that green, and the later we are in that green phase, the higher the acceleration goes. So that's also something to take in mind, right? Most profits are made at the end of the cycle, and we are right now in that last phase of the cycle. That is very important for every single one of you to realize. So stay put. If you ask me, stay put. And don't sell too early, but also don't end up not selling, because otherwise, you're going to be like most people. They're going to write all their unrealized gains back to the entry point that they've bought it. So that's also not the plan. But you want to have a good timing. Timing is more important than the price level. Let me elaborate on that. So let's say Bitcoin is, for example, in 300 days, right? We will be something right here, or right here, or right here, or right here. Doesn't really matter, because that is the moment that we are going to take profits. And if you want to get an alert on that, then you have to make sure that you are going to subscribe to this channel and have the bell icon notification on, so that whenever this moment comes, doesn't matter which price Bitcoin is trading, we are going to take profits on time. Then we are going to the next one, guys. The next one is very interesting because this is XRP, and today actually we saw Bitcoin making a nice rally, but altcoins were not following, but XRP is following. And look at this. This is very, very bullish, and you guys know me. Fundamentally, I'm not that bullish on Ripple, but the charts don't lie, and I've been talking about this already for a long time. This is a triangle formation right here. Triangle formation. Right now we had a fake out to the downside. We are back in the triangle formation, and I'm expecting this one to break out. And you guys know the target of this formation would be the width of the triangle. Let's take it right here, put at the point of breakout. That could bring the price of XRP to 26 US dollars. That is a increase of couple 1000%. I'm actually that bullish on Bitcoin, and that's not only because of this chart. Let me show you another chart, guys. Another chart is this one. We often look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, right? So then we know exactly when to buy Ethereum, because if this chart goes up, the price of Ethereum will rise harder than the price of Bitcoin. So the valuation of one Ethereum will basically increase against the valuation of Bitcoin. So right now we might get a nice second chance to load up on some Ethereum for all the ones that are interested in that. But XRP, guys, this is looking so clean. We have a sideways channel, and of course nothing is a guarantee. We can break the sideways channel to the downside and things can get ugly, but we haven't seen that yet. So we have this sideways channel already since 2014, since 10 years. Look how significant that is. And right now we are surfing on the support. So while surfing on the support, we are getting bullish divergences, higher highs on relative strength index, higher highs on the momentum indicators. I'm expecting this to go up, which basically means that the valuation of Ripple will go up against Bitcoin, potentially over 1000%. Yes, guys, I'm that bullish on Ripple. No, fundamentally not, but definitely the charts are not lying. They look very, very beautiful. Ethereum looks like it's going to give us a nice opportunity again, maybe at the support. If Ethereum can dip down right here, I'm probably seriously considering of flipping some Bitcoin into Ethereum just to take this rally whenever it goes. Why? Brings me to the next one. This is basically the flow of a bull market, and it might not be exactly the same. This thing is made pretty early on, so a couple of years ago this one is made, so it doesn't generally maybe count for this bull market, but generally this will happen. So first of all, the phase one where we are in right now, Bitcoin is making these crazy jumps in a single day. Look at these green candles, right? All the money is flowing to Bitcoin. That happens first. The phase two is Ethereum, but maybe large caps is also right now there, because this bull market Solana has been doing pretty better than Ethereum, right? So I would say you can do phase 2 and phase 3. You can make that one phase, which is the very big caps. So let's say that are the top 5 tokens, the top 10 tokens. They will follow after Bitcoin has made its rally. So then we have Bitcoin rally, the large caps, because there's a lot of trust in that, there's a lot of funding in that, there's a lot of institutional partnerships, stuff like that. So these coins are not going anywhere for now, but afterwards, after the large caps have been pumping, the real alt season will start. And when the alt season starts, that is where all your small tokens, like for example, I'm just taking one example, DYDX, this one literally can go to these levels in a bull market, right? We have seen this one going to 26 US dollars, right? So this definitely can go this direction, but it will happen at the last part of the bull market. So this will maybe go like this, and then eventually will take off, right? But it will happen after Bitcoin made its rally, after the large caps has got a piece of the attention. Then it will go to altcoins, and this is the exact moment that we are going to see money flowing to things like NFTs as well. So the crazy meme tokens, NFTs, all that stuff that happens in phase 4, that is the last part of the bull market where Bitcoin often already has stopped. So for example, right here, like I think right here is where the real alt season started, right? So Bitcoin was already getting close. Bitcoin made an insane increase already getting closer to the top, if not already topped, and that was the moment. During this period, guys, during this period, alt season, alts were really going crazy. But as you can see, that is later in the cycle. That's not right now. Right now, alts will go up in US dollar valuation, not directly in Bitcoin, except for XRP, because XRP, this chart just look phenomenal to me. We can even draw like, I don't know, some declining resistance. Doesn't matter. I just see this as a very long-term channel. We have resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Now we have been hovering around support, and I'm expecting this to go back up to the resistance where we were last time in 2017, 2018, which was basically the end, the later phase of the 2017 bull market. That was this bull market right here. If you want to buy XRP, if you want to trade the tokens that I'm mentioning in this video, you just want to invest in Bitcoin, I want to trade, make sure to do that over on the Bybit exchange. Bybit is by far the best cryptocurrency exchange out there. If you join with the affiliate link down below in the description, you will get a deposit bonus of up to $30,020 US. Also, guys, I want to urge you to go to my channel page and watch the tutorials that I have been making. I've been making so much Bybit tutorials, how to copy trade, how to use trading bots, how to use the futures martingale, how to integrate your trading view webhook to make automated trading, all these things. But I also made a lot of videos about strategies. This one is very, very good. How you can spot tops and bottoms in Bitcoin, how you can use the CME price as a Bitcoin indicator, funding rates, everything, guys. I would highly recommend you, if you haven't done so already, take some time, watch all these tutorials for free, and your knowledge of crypto and trading will significantly increase. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, make sure to smash up the like button. Very much appreciated. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.